after taking up the theory of stoichiometry and its important points, we are going to study some numericals based on the stoichiometric numericals. There are few types of numericals which we will take part by part. Like the first is simple calculations, where the normal methods of mole concepts will be involved. The first question which I have taken to explain is: an hourly energy requirement for an astronaut can be satisfied by the energy released when 34 grams of sucrose are burnt in his body. How many grams of oxygen would he need to be carried in space capsule to meet his requirement for one day? So here we have to calculate that how much oxygen he needs for the complete need of his energy requirements. So first of all, what we have given in this question, that astronaut consumes sucrose in 1 hour is 34 grams here. Now if in 1 hour he requires 34 grams, how much sucrose it would be needed in 1 day? Because finally we have to calculate how much oxygen is required in 1 day calculation. So in 1 day there are 24 hours, so 34 into 24 we will get 816 grams of sucrose would be needed. Now formula of sucrose, first of all we require, that is C12H22O11. What would be the gram molecular mass of sucrose? That is, carbon is having atomic number 12.01 into 12 atoms, plus hydrogen is 22 atoms multiplied by atomic number of hydrogen 1.008, plus oxygen's atomic number 16, number of atoms 11. When we calculate it, we will get 342.3 grams. Now we require in these kind of questions, because stoichiometric depends on the reactions taking place, so first we need to get the reaction which is required for the burning of sucrose in the presence of oxygen. So when sucrose burns in the presence of oxygen, the C12H22O11 plus 12O2 gives 12 CO2 plus H2O. Carbon dioxide and water is produced. Now I have already taken this balanced equation. For your practice you can take up the equation and then try to balance, or if you want to study how to balance the equations, there are two methods I have already explained in as hit and trial method and mathematical method of balancing equation. You can watch them in the same playlist of class 11th. Now when we solve the equations, then we continuously put the molecular masses which we have calculated earlier with the compounds also. Like sucrose we have calculated 342.3 gram, and oxygen is 12 molecules into 1 molecule of oxygen has mass 32. 12 into 32 gives 384 grams. So now we know that for combustion of 342.3 gram of sucrose we require 384 gram of oxygen. So how much it is required? Because for 1 day combustion we have already calculated here 816 gram sucrose is required. So for the combustion of 1816 gram sucrose we require oxygen is equal to 384. This value will come in divide and 816 in multiply. When you solve it, you will get the value is equal to 915.4 grams. So for 1 day requirement of astronauts should be astronaut should carry oxygen to meet his requirements is 915.4 grams oxygen. Let's take one more type of numerical for the same thing. The other type of numericals in stoichiometric are depending on the limiting regions and related calculations. So what are the limiting regions? First let's take an example, then I will explain what is the limiting region according to the question. The question is 1 gram of carbon is burnt in closed vessel containing 1.5 gram of oxygen. Which reactant is left in excess? Find the mass of the excess reactant and the mass of the product formed. Okay, so first of all we must know that when carbon burns in oxygen, then what are the products formed? So carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Very simple reaction. Let's take the molecular masses of these atoms and molecules. Carbon has 12.01 gram, oxygen molecule 32 gram, and carbon dioxide is carbon atomic mass plus oxygen molecule atomic mass added is equal to 44.01 gram. Now when 12.01 gram of carbon requires oxygen is equal to 32 gram. By the reaction we can see 12.01 requires 32 grams. So how much carbon we have? That is only 1 gram. So 1 gram carbon requires 32 by 12.01 into 1 gram. That will be equal to 2.7 gram of oxygen. But from this question, what the question data was given, that only 1.5 gram of oxygen was given. So but oxygen provided is only 1.5 gram, so it is less than the required amount, that we require 2.7 gram oxygen. Thus oxygen will be completely consumed and carbon will be left in excess. So now we know which reactant is getting left in excess. So the element which is getting finished first, that is called limiting reagent in this case. Okay, now carbon mass can be burnt in 32 gram oxygen is 12.01 gram. By the reaction we have already seen. Okay, 32 gram burns 12.01. So now mass of carbon will be burnt in 1.5 gram, which we have, that is equal to 12.01 upon 32 into 1.5 equal to 0.56 gram. So left out carbon which is unreacted, that will be equal to, because we have only 1 gram of carbon and this much of carbon will be burnt, 0.56. So how much is left? 1 minus 0.56, it is equal to 0.44 gram. Also for the requirement of that what products are formed, 32 gram of oxygen combines with carbon to give carbon dioxide, that is 44.01 gram, that we have already calculated in our reaction here, you can see. Okay, so now 32 gram of oxygen requires means produced 44.01 gram. So we have only 1.5 gram oxygen, so it will be producing carbon dioxide equal to 44.01. This 32 value will come in divide, and 1.5 which we require will come in multiplication. When you solve it, you will get the value equal to 22.1 gram. Means this much of carbon dioxide will be produced. So here we have got two answers, first and second. First is carbon is left in excess as reactant in amount 0.44 gram, and the product obtained is carbon dioxide in amount 2.1 gram. So now the important topic which we got in this numerical, that was limiting reagent. So the definition, I hope everybody has already understood by the question that oxygen was the limiting reagent here because it was getting finished first. By the definition, limiting reagent is the reactant which gets completely consumed in the chemical reaction. Like in this question, oxygen is getting completely consumed and carbon is getting left out. Under consideration means whatever compound which is given to us, and whose amount limits the amount of products formed in the reaction. Because we have only oxygen in the limited amount, so that is limiting the carbon dioxide. That is why we have calculated carbon dioxide on the basis of oxygen, not on the basis of carbon. So this is the numerical on the basis of on the topic limiting reagent and the definition limiting reagent. The next type of questions we will take up in the next video. Thank you.